Okay, this video is going to show you how to create or add a sound effect asset. Okay, so again, assets go in the content folders. So we've got one here called audio, and simple process and add a graphic, 2 steps. Right click on audio and say add existing item, locate your sound effect. So I'm going to nick some sound effect from there we go, from Gorf. So that's a WAV file, but you can add MP3s as well. Alright, but I'll show you how to check that. So you add those in. Now, just to double check that it's being imported properly, we right click on it and say properties, and let's just make this a little bit wider. We want to make sure that it says content processor sound effect. Okay, the other type of audio is a song. So MP3s get classed by default as songs. That uses media player, which does have some advantages, but media player has like a lag when it starts. It's really strange. I think they've crippled it on purpose. So if you load an MP3, just that's what it'll come up by default. Just go to there and say sound effect. Okay, so as long as it's sound effect, you'll be okay. So if we go back to Solution Explorer, we've got our ha ha ha. Remember, that's now a copy. So if you edit sound effects using Audacity or something, you'll need to make sure that you update this and overwrite it. Right, so the second step, go to Assets and find Start Preloader, which I've already got on screen, and you'll see this is the code for loading sound effects. So I'm just going to copy paste the one that's already there, the default fire sound effect. So using the picker, you'll see that it wants a name for the sound effect name and a file name. So I'm going to call this laugh, because that's what this is. It's the laugh from Gorf, and I just need to put its file name in. And again, we don't put the extension. If you're rubbish at spelling or typing, just right click on an asset and say rename, and then just copy it. Okay, and paste that in, and then just delete the extension part. So if you run this, just to check you've done it properly, you'll get a file not found if you've messed up the file name. So that's loaded. It said 4 assets, so it must be done correctly. So loading up audio assets, 2 steps. Add it to the audio folder. Check that it's been imported as a sound effect and not a song, and then just do add sound effect in Start Preloader. Okay, that's it.